is Ava, and I'm reporting on the Japanese snow monkey, and they live in Asia. Japanese snow monkeys eat fruit and insects. Japanese snow monkeys play with rocks for fun. Japanese snow monkeys live in Japan. Japanese snow monkeys can handle a little chill. Japanese snow monkeys love a good hot tub.
I love a good hot tub. That's funny. All right, stay over there with your poster. There you go. Explain about the drawing that you drew. That is the cutest little drawing ever. What do you have in that picture?
Two Japanese.
Scoot over there and tell your audience.
With your microphone.
With your microphone.
I have two Japanese snow
Don't
monkeys.
touch the table.
And why are they hugging?
To keep warm.
All right, tell your audience.
To keep warm.
Good. All right, stay over there. Stay with your poster. There you go. So explain some of the pictures that you have.
A Japanese snow monkey holding
Use your microphone.
a Japanese snow monkey holding its baby.
Oh,
You can
that's so
put your monkey
sweet.
down. You can put the monkey down.
Yeah,
if you
put
need
your
to.
monkey down. That way you can hold your microphone and point.
A Japanese snow monkey eating, and Japanese snow monkeys in the snow, and a picture of the world.
And show us where Japan is.
We're right over there.
Wow. Yeah, Japan's little
I
island.
went to Japan. Me too.
Very good. What's that monkey doing at the top picture? Tell us about that one.
The monkey's on a phone.
Oh my, that's so. Who do you think he's calling? Santa Claus or somebody? What do Japanese monkeys, snow monkeys eat? What do they eat?
Fruit and insects.
Oh, so they eat fruit and insects.
But sometimes they also eat fish and oil.
Oh, cool. Excellent. How many babies do they usually have?
I don't know. One or two.
They're so cute when they cuddle with each other.
All right, would you like to take some questions?
Yes. Gianna.
I have a hot tub. Do you think a monkey will come to my hot tub?
No.
We lived in the mountains of Japan, maybe. All right, Ava, ask another question.
Brooklyn.
Does that mean they can eat my pet?
Excuse Brooklyn. You know what? Ask somebody else a question. We want serious questions. They live in Japan.
Maddie.
How long can the babies be?
Do you know the size of the babies? That's a good question. You say that's a good question. We can find out. All right, take another question.
Angel Dink.
Do they have any predators?
Who is their enemy? Who are their predators?
I don't really know because.
Yeah. It might be humans because sometimes we go in there and we destroy their habitat. So humans might be a threat to them. I don't know, snow leopards might live there and they might like to chomp on monkeys. I don't know. Good question. One more question.
Anderson.
Why do they live in the snow?
That's just where they live.
That's
their
their-
environment, their habitat.
That's their habitat.
I have a question, Ava. The hot tub picture there, that's not the kind of hot tub that Gianna has in her backyard, is it? What kind of hot tub is that?
The hot spring.
It's from a hot spring, so it's a natural hot springs hot tub.
So it's in the mountains. Yeah.
Very cool.
Very cool.
All right,
Ava,
that's
you did a super
job.
job on this. Thank you. I like how you numbered everything too.
Yes.
I love the map of the world. Let's give Ava a hand. guys.
Yay, Ava. Thank you, Ava. Very nice.